So for the question here, first we assign PSY function value 1 to 3, and we define GAN and style. And look at here, the line here is a function call, so we open up a new frame to evaluate this function here. And function GAN takes a single argument p, which points to 3, and then we go to this line to evaluate the function num. Num is assigned to function style, and we write function lambda here because it's overread later after, but we just keep on evaluating them, which is assigned to function style. And for the return value here, there's a function here, function call here, num takes value 4. So we should open up a new frame here to evaluate the function call here. Remember that num is assigned to function style. So the operator here is actually the style. And it takes a single argument s. So we write s here. And because we are trying to evaluate the function here, and the function passed on p's value is 3, so we copy down the number 3 here, and this function style returns a lambda function, so it should be point to a lambda function here. It's defined in the frame 1 because it's defined here. So remember that num is assigned to function style, so we have to override the definition of num here to point to the function lambda here. And to keep on going, we try to evaluate the function lambda. So because there's a function call here, we open up a new frame. The operator is lambda because it's defined in frame 1, so the parent is frame 1. And we lambda take a value y, which is 4, because we are trying to evaluate the function here, and num takes 4. And for the value of p and s, for value of p, we go to the global frame to look after p, which is 1. So the value of p is 1 here. And for s, remember that we are trying to evaluate in the function style, and style takes s as 3. So the value of s is 3. So the return value of the lambda function psy is actually a list of number 1, 3, and 4. So we go back to frame 1, the return value is 1, 3, 4, and we go back to this frame here. So the final return value is a list of number 1, 3, 4, comma, and then 5.
Yeah, it's a list inside of a list.
Yeah, so it's a list inside of a list.